Well, here we are, one of my first displays I'm putting together for Easter. What do you think? I thought it turned out pretty cute. I got the cute little elf all dressed up in her pretty little Easter dress and her little Easter hat with her bunny ears at HomeGoods. I got the pretty little flower. These are real flowers. And I got these at the 99-cent store, if you can believe it. The dew is still on. Can you see it? And here is our beautiful little elf. Isn't she cute with her cute little hat and her little bunny ears? And even all the little Easter eggs in her bonnet. So much detail on her hat. And her pretty little dress. And her beautiful blue eyes. And how beautifully everything is finished on her pretty little dress. And her cute little velvet shoes. Now the green balls I have had for a couple of years, so they're not new. And my white butterflies are a year or two old also. Now, to put a little bit more into this display, since my little elf was a little pricey, I went over to Dollar Tree and got a few other things. $1.25, I got the 6 little carrots you see, and another $1.25 for all the little bunnies that I have all the way around. Aren't they cute? And then the 2 carrots in the back were another $1.25. So we really got this pretty reasonable when you start adding it all up for the whole display. The tray I've had for a very long time too. It was a gift from my son and my daughter-in-law. What do you think? I thought it turned out pretty cute. It's simple, not overdone, and we can take these down and use them over and over and over again. We're not just using it for one time. And we'll be sharing this in the future, and it'll be a lot of free posts coming up. But right now, we did spend the money for this one. So we did $1.25 3 times, so that's $3.75 for the carrots and the bunnies. And our little elf was $17, and our plant was $4. So it wasn't too bad. What do you think? Do you think I got my money's worth? I thought I did pretty good, but we'll be reusing again and again. So I hope you enjoyed what we shared today, how you can put a simple little display together for a little over $25. Not too bad, but we're going to be reusing everything here and a bunch of other posts for Easter displays. And you're going to see you can reuse these year after year, and it's not going to cost you anything. You just need to spend the money up front once, and you can make anything look cute. These little bunnies and carrots will add so much to any little display, and they were only $1.25 a package. That's not bad. And the only thing that I would say was expensive, and she was only $17, was my elf. And I'll have her years to come. I'm getting a great little elf collection built up for I can reuse again and again. Oh my gosh, I just love the elves they have at HomeGoods. They're all so beautifully done, and for the money, they're really worth it. The quality is really there.